What we're trying to do here today, folks, I want to exchange a couple of doorknobs. This one doesn't have a lock. I want to exchange this one to a place where you have a lock, but we don't want a lock. You got two Phillips head screws here. So we're going to loosen these. And you'll see with this doorknob here, it's kind of in the way. But being careful not to strip the screws, loosen them up. I'm going to hold the handle on this side so the thing doesn't just fall out. Your screws are always going to be on the inside because you don't want someone else to undo this from the outside, because then they'd have access to your house or your room. Oh, it's already all the way out, or not. Okay, so it's got a little lock washer and then the screw. Just as easy now to turn it by hand. Actually, it's easier to turn by hand than it is to use a screwdriver, because this handle's in the way. Lock washer, screw. Now, carefully pull this out. So you see here, groove is up. Pull this out, holding everything together. Put it back together. This is the way it needs to go in the other door. So let's go see what we got over there. All right, you'll notice on this door, the one with the locking mechanism, the screws are going this way. All in all, it shouldn't make a difference, but oh, so maybe it will. We may have to take this out and exchange this as well. You notice how this has got the single piece here? I am seeing this one doesn't have lock washers on it. Oops. I could make it easier to unscrew by pushing it into the door. Okay, now. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like it's a whole different mechanism. See the locking. See how this locking mechanism is? It's completely different. So we're going to need to take out the deadbolt as well. Yeah, as you can see here, so the deadbolts have to match the doorknobs. Hopefully it's not going to cause a problem. Trying to save money by not going and buying a doorknob without a lock. Should just slide out. Yeah. Put the 2 screws in here so I don't lose them. Let's see what we got on the other side. All right, taking out the screws from the one with the lock. And sliding it out. Putting the screws back in so we don't lose them. Now this is the one that we took out of the other door. We should be able to put it right back in here. So just remember, the door closes this way, so this should be the beveled edge should be facing the way the door will close. You could use power tools on this. I don't recommend it. You don't want to strip the screws because you're dealing with particle board here and stuff like that. Now, next, remembering the screws should be inboards. And you're going to have a half moon here. Make sure this goes into that half moon. Like that, see? Like that. Remember we said this was vertical. Plus the screws got to match, so there's only really one way it's going to go. Oh, there's a half moon in there. So indeed there is only one way it's going to go. And that's that direction. Always start by hand screwing to begin with. Less likely to strip the threads later on. we're bringing it in from the other side this way and giving us room to use the screwdriver. There. Now this door won't lock on us and we won't get locked out.